Okay, so whoever owned this Chevy, man, they just jerry-rigged everything on this thing. When I got it, the guy told me it needed a master clutch, a clutch master cylinder on it and stuff. Well, I replaced the clutch master cylinder on it, and I still don't have any clutch. So I'm going down to do the slave cylinder. Also, the ignition switch is not working right. It doesn't kick in right, and I don't know what the heck's going on there. So I don't know. Sometimes it worked. Sometimes it'll work and sometimes it don't. See, now it doesn't work. So we're gonna be working on that. We're gonna get this this thing straightened out here.
Hey, welcome to Oregon Hot Rod.
Welcome to the Oregon Hot Rod Experience, where we're gonna share information with you. We're gonna show you our successes and our failures, our mistakes and our solutions. We'll go on adventures. We're gonna build cars. We'll do shop projects, and we'll do a whole bunch more. But most of all, we're going to entertain you with reality and stupidity. So subscribe now and continue to watch the Oregon Hot Rod Experience.
Smash that like button and subscribe now.
Yeah, subscribe now.
It's just, you know, it's a shame that all this stuff got wasted, but I'm a survivor and I'm gonna get past all this stuff, and you guys are gonna watch it and you're gonna see it, and we're gonna do it. So anyway, keep on watching Oregon Hot Rod. Okay, so first thing I got to do to get this ignition out of here is I had to drop this panel off here. Unscrew that and then drop this thing down. Now I can get up in here. There's a couple of bolts up in here, and then I can drop this steering column down and get up in there and try and get to that ignition switch and see what the heck is going on here. Let's see. Okay, well, let's get at it and see if we can get that thing out of there. Okay, so here we are. We got the bracket off here underneath the steering column here. From up in here. Yeah, there we go. That little blue thing there, that's our ignition switch. We got a couple of screws on the side over there, over here on the left side that we gotta pull loose, and then that should come out of there. Then we can figure out why this thing isn't connecting properly. So let's get it out of there and see what's going on. Okay, so we got it out. We got the ignition switch out. I'm gonna try and put it back in here now. Okay. Now, let's see if we can see down in here. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but there is a lever right down there, or a little wire, and that's got to go back into the ignition switch. That's what controls the lever in the ignition switch. So we're going to try and get this wire back on down here, and hopefully it'll go into place correctly. Okay, everything's all connected up back in there. It's a black one this time, not a pretty blue one. That pretty blue one was kind of messed up. Anyway, test it all out. Everything is working right. Imagine if I put in the clutch. I'll even look at there. Look at there. Yeah. Now it works the way it's supposed to. Gosh, what a pain. Seems like the clutch is starting to work better too. Look at there. My truck is healing itself. Yay. Oh man, what a feeling. This thing has been such a pain. But these two things here, the clutch and that starter switches, been a big deal. But one of the things I did learn in all of this is up underneath, when I crawled up underneath of it here, they had cobbled together the freaking starter wires. They, you can't even hardly see it here. I don't know, maybe I can get up underneath here and we can see it. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I went and I just wired these wires together. I don't know what the heck they're doing here. I don't know what's underneath all that tape, but I'm afraid to find out. So anyway, I gotta do that. Gotta fix, there's a bolt missing up there in the exhaust. And I gotta finish off the exhaust. I just put on a muffler here. And that's it, nothing beyond there. So we're gonna have to figure out something for the rest of it here. Anyway, that's another day. So get this thing buttoned up, finish her up, and take it for a drive, see if it works right. See you later.